Are you looking for a way to make your first dollar online? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I want to show you the best website to make money fast in 2021 and beyond. This website that I'm going to show you on this video today is paying in PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Visa, and in other popular gift cards. All you have to do, head over to Google and search www. What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you another website that's rewarding people all around the world in PayPal, in cryptocurrencies, in Amazon gift cards, in Visa gift cards. Like guys, lots and lots of people all around the world are making money from this website, and the most interesting part is that I have also being paid by it. First of all, you need Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets. I prefer to use Coinbase because you will have both wallets in the same account, but you can use the wallets you like. And you will also need a PayPal account if you don't want to withdraw your earnings through Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet. I will leave the links for registration in the description box below. And before this video ends, I will also share with you my payment proof. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos on how to make money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. This website that I'm going to talk about in today's video, it's a website called Freeskins. Freeskins is one of the highly rated popular GPT sites and well reviewed on Trustpilot. What is Freeskins? Freeskins is a GPT site that enables its members to earn cryptocurrencies, PayPal cash, and gift cards for free. Similar to its alternative sites, there are plenty of ways to make money from this GPT site: surveys, offer, watching videos, and others. It has been there since from early 2020, and that is over 1 year in this industry. It is a great sign to show that it is legit and paying out to the users with little or no complaint. Stated in their site, they have more than 500,000 users from all around the world. Here you can immediately sign up to their platform with your already existing Facebook, email address, and Steam account. They offer plenty of ways to earn points. Freeskins has many types of earning ways to make some extra cash in your free time. Let's look through the different methods. 1. Completing surveys. You will also be able to earn more rewards by completing surveys. When you log into the website, you can see all the available surveys by clicking to the surveys section. The surveys offered on Freeskins operate just like you would expect on any other survey site. When you tap the survey, it will redirect you to a new browser tab. It will then ask you many demographic questions to determine if you qualify to participate in that survey. If you qualify, you will continue to the next step, and that would be responding to the actual survey. Once you're done with the actual survey, you will be rewarded. If you don't qualify, you move on to take another survey if there's another one available matching your demographic profile. The great thing about how they present surveys are, you will know exactly the length of the survey and how many points you will be given to you as reward if you complete it. So, you will be able to choose which surveys to take. This also means it can take time and patience to find the surveys you qualify for, and note that the rewards are quite low for the time spent on Freeskins. 2. Completing offers. Most available paid offers will need you to complete a task, and in return, they reward you for participating. It includes answering and completing a survey, downloading and installing mobile games, completing a quiz, and many more. It is very important to read and follow carefully to the set of instructions when you are performing an offer. You will not receive the rewards if you do not meet the requirements. 3. Bonus startup points. Freeskins reward the members by giving bonus 100 coins when they registered, but they need to key in a promotional code. If you register via this link in the description box below, you will enjoy the welcome bonus of 110 points. 4. Leaderboard rewards. If you love Freeskins, you can compete with other fans by earning as many coins as you can. It is calculated on a monthly and daily basis. For example, if you are at the top of the competition, you can earn 10,000 coins as the rewards for the daily leaderboard. As for the monthly champion, you can win a whopping reward of 100,000 coins, which is equivalent to $100. 5. Referral program. Another way to boost your earnings from this site is by inviting other people to join. Freeskins has a referral program in place where you will earn a certain commission for inviting people to join. What makes their referral program good is, you will earn 5% of all points that your referrals earn through surveys, offers, and leaderboard. Plus, you will get 25% for every new referral. And on top of that, your referral will earn 110 points when signing in through your referral link. How many points you need to cash out? The question is how many points you need to cash out. That's a very great question. You need only 200 points to cash out. Then now we will go to the withdraw section. Here in their redemption section you can redeem your points through Bitcoin, Ethereum, Visa, Stream, gift cards and more, and if you want a straight hard cash you can redeem it from PayPal. What I like the most about this website, we can redeem 20 cents worth Bitcoin only. For 200 points you can complete at least one offer or a survey only and you can get in 20 cents from Bitcoin that easily. Great news for everyone. Freeskins is open to registration around the world. So you can sign up for an account regardless which country you are located in. It is paying their members. Here's my payment proof. As you can see, I chose to withdraw my earnings via Bitcoin, and also offers a good range of payout methods. After watching this unbiased Freeskins review and decided to join, simply click the link in the description box below. It will lead you through a sign-up process that only takes you less than a minute to complete. After that, 110 free coins will automatically be credited into your account immediately. If you have any comments, questions, or experience using this website, please share in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.